Hello, federal viewers. Today is the biggest election results day in India. The Lok Sabha members for the 543 constituencies of the India will be known today. It's an exciting, thrilling day. Several constituencies have been marked as sensitive constituencies, and the counting, the centers are being monitored under three-tier security. With the federal, we are giving you the early insights and the early trends just after the counting starts. It starts by 8 a.m. in the morning. Yes, Nisha?
Absolutely, Pramila. This is a big day for the country, and it is already an interesting election because in Surat, BJP has already won because the Congress and all other independents have pulled back their nominations. So BJP has that going on well for them. And like Pramila mentioned, there are several sensitive counting booths, and Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal, they have extra tier of protection. And this counting day is very important in the history of India. So stay tuned with the federal for reports from Gujarat, from Northeast, from Kolkata, from Bombay, from Tamil Nadu, from Karnataka. We have reporters deployed all over the country to bring you the updates then and there.
Nisha, what else will be covering apart from the results? What are the other intakes?
The other intakes would be about the markets. Obviously, the markets turn particularly volatile on election results day. And another important thing to keep note of is the Election Commission. The Election Commission of India has been criticized for their inaction when it came to the, hate speech on the part of BJP. So these are few things that we would have to be, on top of.
Nisha, you know what? Already the BJP cadres are very much excited. They are actually started making forays in front of their office. And I also learned across Tamil Nadu, there are so many political organizations have ordered for biryanis to be ready to be given just after the results are announced.
That's a great thing. And we've also already started to get reactions from several candidates and party people about how this election counting is going to be, especially Samajwadi Party. Akhilesh Yadav has said there might be malfunctions of EVMs because that's what they have been saying already. So this is going to be quite an eventful day. So stay with us as we bring you timely updates.